ultimately, being creative, you want to do what you're passionate about. And so I thought, okay, if I ever get to the point where I wake up one morning and I don't enjoy what I do anymore, that really is the point that I need to rethink.
I had a sort of eureka moment whilst I was in university when I sort of realised that if I was going to be successful, then it was going to have to be a bit more than just getting a degree and a qualification. If I was going to achieve what I wanted to achieve, then it had to be me in the driving seat.
It's quite a daunting prospect at first. You just don't know where the next bit of income is going to come from. You're looking at how you start your revenue streams. Actually, the key thing is to take that first step and take that risk to do it.
You know, there was an opportunity to start a business. It's something I'd always felt that I needed to do, was to work for myself, have the freedom of it as well, and the responsibility, was quite a big thing for me as well.
I grew up in Wales, so for me it's the only place I can imagine doing a job like this, really, and also the free business advice that you get and support that you get is invaluable.
Yeah, the assistance from the Welsh Government and helping me to get Superstars off the ground was key. I hadn't ever done a business course, so I was really flying by the seat of my pants, and that gave me a bit of guidance and a bit of direction that I needed.
After I'd graduated, I looked into funding. I got in touch with commercial services at the university. I gained Welsh Government funding for an interest-free loan and a grant towards marketing so that all my energy and focus could go on the business. And without them, I wouldn't be anywhere near the stage I am with my business now.
Right now is a fantastic time for people to start a business in Wales or to look to relocate their business to Wales, because there are some fantastic resources available from Welsh Government in particular to look at everything from how you formulate your business plan through to how you fund your future growth.
Just because you love the idea doesn't mean to say that there's a business to be had from that idea. And so, first and foremost, it's important to make sure that there is a market for your service, for your product.
Go to networking events. I found those quite useful in the early days, and meet other business people, because you can always help each other, support each other.
Keep focused on what you saw was your original dream. Always keep that in sight and don't let anybody else distract you from achieving that.
Be prepared to dream big. Don't let people tell you that you can't do whatever it is that you want to achieve.
The thing that I love about business is that it's always exposed to opportunity, and you never know what's around the corner, and that's seriously exciting, because business in your hands actually can be really seriously fluid. It's full of surprises.
There's no success without sacrifice. There's no get-rich-quick scheme or anything like that, but it's all about putting the hard work in now so you can reap the rewards later on.